There we go. Sorry, I didn't get to give you any. You're a bit tufty.
It's got others and that. Why has it got both?
Well, because so do people.
What?
They have nipples as well.
The males have nipples.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
I don't see the males' nipples much.
Sorry I didn't get to give you a hand there. It was getting a bit tricky because of the
Does he have a name?
Sorry?
Does he have a name?
I don't know what this one is. You did good. Oh, look, you're a bit tufty around here, but you did all right. Look.
Look what I'm going to do. Look what I'm going to do.
There you go.
What?
That's nice. It likes that look.
Like what? Look what I'm going to do. Have a video of it, please.
Yeah. You're on video, buddy.
I'd like to speak to it while I do this to it. Yeah, look. Look what I give it.
It loves it.
Loves what?
It loves that colour. Especially after it's just gone through a shear, because look, it was a bit nervous, wasn't it? It was a very well behaved sheep, wasn't it?
Yeah. Look.
So hot.
Interesting, huh?
I'm boiling.
Especially after doing that.
Look, he's hot.
He's looking very good, doesn't he, bud?
Has he got a name?
There's a few tufty
I
bits.
don't know if he's got a name.
I don't know that one. I don't know what it's called, to be honest.
Well, I call him Lewis.
Could do, yeah.
And the other white one's Lucy.
Yes.
There you bud.
Lucy and Lewis.
Lucy and Lewis, that's nice.
Will you tell Lucy I've named the sheep? Lucy?
After her.
And Lewis as well.
I will.
I don't know, but they're really settle in first.
Did you enjoy that, you, and seeing the sheep shearing?
Yeah.
Good lad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
look.
Oh, that's a good one. Good girl. Good boy, Benny. Oh no,
Yeah,
that's a
he's
boy,
got
sorry.
that.
Good boy.
That's a boy.
That is a boy.
Put this back on. Could you take it into the